So your leader has started asking you to learn about EOS. Maybe you're starting an L10 meeting or have been shown the Vision Traction Organizer or an accountability chart. This video is for you. One of the things I was excited about when I moved into my first executive role was to be part of doing change well. Because communicating well was a passion, and I had been through too many poor changes that seemed to make my job harder instead of easier. Ever felt that way? I get it, and I want to offer 3 things that will make your experience with EOS something that helps you. Number 1, commit to learn. There's a very basic change statistic that plays out over and over again. In any change, you have 30% of the people who will jump right on board, about 50% of the people that will wait for someone else to go, and 20% that will resist, and most resistors never change. I share that with you so that I can ask the next question. When it comes to adopting the EOS terms and habits, which group are you in? As a final thought on learning means we are open to a better way or input from others. Committing to this automatically means you are at least open to something new, even if you don't want to go first. Number 2, ask questions. One of my favorite parts of the book, What the Heck is EOS, are the questions at the end of each chapter that you are supposed to ask your leader. Your leader needs your help. And believe it or not, the best way to help them with rolling out EOS is to ask them questions. They may not know the answer, so give them a little bit of grace. But by asking them questions, you improve everyone's experience with the rollout and the quality of the teaching that is happening. And finally, commit to lead. One of my core beliefs is that in great organizations, everybody leads. So the question I pose to you is, what does leadership look like from your seat? I'll let that sit with you and not offer any answers. If we ever meet in person, expect me to ask that question. In EOS, we use the term journey a lot because it is a great word for describing the experience of implementing EOS. Because there's a common destination, and yet there will be twists and turns, ups and downs, great days and bad days, just like any family vacation, career journey, or startup journey. In reflecting back on my journeys, the thing that mattered to me most was the people that were with me and the common experiences we had together. I believe in EOS, and if you commit to learning, asking questions, and leading, it will be a memorable journey. So go lead from whatever seat that you're in.